Last summer, we were speeding on the jet skis through the city of Berlin. Only heavy rain and police could stop us. This summer, more friends and jet skis joining our Jets in the City tour. From the very beginning, the police is watching us. The mission? A 100-kilometer race all the way to Berlin's largest lake and through the city center of Berlin for a sunset drink at the most famous restaurant in town.
Sie bringen es her? Nice. Cool. Cheers.
Can we make it this time through the city center without being chased?
Just go, running from everyone. Oh, I think we are better now. My soul, they're never gonna get us down. Oh.